Happy to the KTM truck around here. You scared me, 'cause I just got 4
Have we got 10?
Not yet.
Still not yet.
Oh, look, Ted pulled up before. No. There's no rush then. No.
What happened?
Oh, look at the size of that spanner. That's a beauty.
Do you want to play with it?
Yes, please. Can I have that one?
This one?
Yes, thank you.
It's a weapon.
What are you doing?
Glad I'm not carrying them around.
Oh, look at that for a lever. You can get a lever on that now.
Does he do services as well?
Come on, Alex, what are you doing?
Can you just give me mine a tweak while you're at it? Bit of a vibration in four.
What are we doing?
That side, around the back.
Stick your lever in, poke him in the eye. Oh, look at that. Go 2 levers. Just a little bit more.
No. So I've got a bigger one.
So what happened? The fork slipped?
I've got a bigger one. I'm bragging.
What's happened? Oh, they all slid. All the bolts fell out of one side, so his fork's like this.
I thought KTM was good.
You know what it stands for? Keep till Monday.
The bolts are optional.
And then when you got to go and get parts, they cost too much.
Cheap, $30 a month.